If the biggest financial institutions in the world keep buying gold, shouldn't you pay attention? Central banks hold thousands of tons, and their choices could matter for your retirement savings. Central banks, the most powerful financial authorities worldwide, don't just rely on paper currency. The guide explains they actively accumulate gold to strengthen their reserves. Why? Because gold provides stability when currencies lose value and financial systems face stress. This pattern shows investors that gold isn't just a personal hedge. It's the same safe haven asset that nations rely on. When you recognize this global demand, it's easier to see why gold can play a stabilizing role in your own retirement planning. I'll link this guide in the description so you can read the full details. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Digital Dollar Report and Company Integrity Checklist. Each resource is designed to give you a well rounded understanding of how to protect and diversify your savings. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free today and see how central banks' reliance on gold can guide your own long term planning. You'll find the link just below this video.